We begin by taking the water in the tank with a clean dipper. The tank water has been left for an extended period of time to reduce the chlorine in the water.
Filling water into the aquarium to be used in the manufacture of green water. Green water culture provides a highly nutritious source of feed for fish stock, promoting faster growth. Water needs to be filled to the optimum level so that the fish do not feel stressed, and the amount water produced is also large.
The next step is to add 2 drops of anti-chlorine into the water and mix it well. Anti-chlorine is used to improve the aquarium water quality by removing all harmful gases like chlorine from water. It is economic, safe, and non-toxic to aquarium plants and fishes.
One of the aerated types. This type of aerator is suitable for the small tank. This air pump will produce a bubble that went to the surface and brought the water together. When the water reaches the surface, the oxygen will absorb it and breathe down in the water. It also will produce a smooth bubble for aeration that may not damage or makes the fish feel stressed. If the aeration is too strong, the fish will stress because using a lot of energy to keep swimming for non-stop. To removing fish from a tank to another tank, the fish need to be caged by using the net. The bigger the net is better because it has a large area so that it can make the catching process easier. After that, hold the fish using a hand that's still in the net to avoid the fish from jumping out of the net while outside the water. While still holding the fish, release the fish into the bucket that filled with the same water from the recent tank. Take the bucket and bring it slowly. Put the bucket inside a new tank and wait until the temperature inside the both bucket and the new tank got the same temperature. Next, the fish can be released and the removing process is done.
After about 3 weeks, the green water has matured and is ready for use. Green water, caused by a sudden population explosion of suspended algae known as phytoplankton. It floats about the tank and multiplies by the million in a short period of time.
Saline water is water that contains significant amount of dissolved salts, which the salt called sodium chloride. To make saline water, 1 liter of seawater and 2.9 liters of water without chlorine is prepared. We choose the one that have already been filtered out in the tanks. Mix this water in the tanks and use mesh colander or fish net to filter particles like sand.
To harvest a larval prawn, it all starts with getting a supply of white spawner prawns that was already made from a supplier. The prawn then will place into a spawning tank, which usually spawning will occur at night and fertilization is external. Then, the eggs will hatch in 12 to 15 hours after fertilization into a first larvae stage as termed nauplii, which are free swimming and resemble tiny aquatic spiders. For your information, this first stage does not feed but lives on its yolk, preserves and passes rapidly. After that, we transfer the nauplii into the larva rearing tank that have a water mixed with saline water to make sure the salinity water suitable for the larva prawn to survive using a mini dropper. Then, after 2 days, the nauplii will develop as protozoa which have feathery appendage and elongated bodies. Then, protozoa will develop as myces after 4.5 days and will develop as post-larvae in 4 days. During this post-larvae stage, we provide a green water mixed with artemia as their food sources and will serve them to rapidly until 15 to 20 days.